In this lecture, how we apply different list styles and table tag. Generally in HTML directly we are using this OL tag with a OL tag for order list and UL is for unordered list, right? Unordered list. So but in this CSS properties we are having two types of properties are available, right? One is list style type. With the help of list style type we can apply style types for different ways, like a disk and square and circle, and we are using decimal, and here decimal leading 0. So just observe, we can observe what is a and alphabets we are using like lower alpha and upper alpha, and it having lower Roman and lower Roman and upper Roman, and none, no styles, right? None, default one. And we can apply list items list style as a image also with the help of list style image. So with the help of URL we may apply, so URL, right? So how we can write, definitely it would be JPG or PNG format. So and in a table we can create in a real time striped table. So how we are applying for each row in a different color, how we are applying each row different color. So we will discuss with a list and list styles and table tags, right? So very similar one, but we can create. So here I want to create one tag. So here I want to create like a list and table dot html. So I want to create and go live. So automatically it opens this, and I want to create a basic HTML. Then here I want to write OL list order list and li into 5, list items into 5. So list items, here I want to write position, some content I want to place here, some content, right? Display, visibility and float and clear, OL tag, right? Defaultly it comes with 1 2 3. So when we are using like a UL tag, UL unordered list, it automatically changes. But here we don't know what is this UL and OL. We don't want to that, right? Just I want to use this style tag, just observe here, actually it is a UL tag, right? UL I want to change, yeah, I want to use like list style type. So here I want to use circle, so it would be changed. I want to use like here lower Roman number, then it will be changed. And I want to use lower Latin, so this is a Latin. So base different values are available. I want to place here decimal, but leading 0, it start from, so 0 1 0 2, that way it will be represent, right? So in this way we can represent, but I don't want to place this list style types. I want to add like an image, like list style image. I want to place image. What you want to place URL. Here I want to place, we are having some images, right? So I want to place not a JPG, suppose modi, it's a completely different one, right? Very bigger size I want to place here. We having some styles, actually PNG image is also available, right? So for that I want to use PNG images. and here I want to like 3. Then you observe. So in this way we apply actually, but not fixed size, not fit to particular size. So based on size it will be available, right? So if in case we are providing like a symbols, icons, then it is very neat one, right? So in this way list style images also we can apply. The next one, I want to create some table, right? I want to create some table. So here I want to create table. Within the table, tr. Within the tr I want to write td into 6 columns. I want to use 6 columns, right? 6 columns. I want to write s number, s name, location, course, fee, other. Email. So I want to create one more table row inside td 6 columns, right? We require 6 columns. Serial number 1, name Srikanth, and location Hyderabad, course CSS 3, and fee free, email Srikanth, some email, random email, and gmail.com. So this is my some table data is available, right? I want to copy this table row. I want to place this multiple table rows, right? So totally we are having some couple of rows, but the problem is that first one, I want to create this table class, first table class. So I want to create table width 800 pixels. Then what happens? Then automatically some cursor will be available, some cursors place. But within this table I want to add one div tag. I want to end with so the table tag is placed within the div tag, and here I want to provide some div tag class properties, right? Div tag, then you observe div tag width 800 pixel, height 800 pixels only. We provide 800 pixel. Then you observe cursor is there. So I want to provide background color. Then you observe background color green. So content is there. So here I want to provide width and height 300. Height is also 200. That content is there. Overflow is there, right? So we know that opacity set overflow scroll. Then you observe the table is placed particular scroll, right? So now I want to focus. Right? So first table property, table. So I want to provide change. I want to change background color yellow. yellow. Text color would be changed yellow. And background color, I want to change a background color red. So completely different, right? Div tag and this one completely different. Then I want to create a border, right? Border 2 pixels solid, otherwise double, not a dotted, I want to use a dotted pink color. Just observe, this is a dotted, only table rows will be affected, right? So but I want to apply some table rows for different one. Table rows, I want to apply table rows and tr. Background color is also I want to provide table row. Suppose tr, I want to use tr tag, and a border same 3 pixels, dotted not dotted, double dashed color blue, black. Then you observe what happens. So here I want to apply tr, then nothing to change. Tr comma td, then completely it affects, right? Tr td. But here I want to change. So based on this table, I want to create this class table, right? Class table, I want to create a class table, right? So here dot table, and within the table tr, and I want to apply nth-child I want to write even. So just background color blue, black. Yellow. So and dot table, the tr, nth row, nth child, and odd numbers, odd I want to apply here background color pink. Then you observe pink, this table tag width 150 pixels, height 250 pixels, and opacity, overflow, scroll. So if in case div tag is there, that would be affected, right? So in this way we can apply particular row color and particular even rows and odd rows we can apply. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.